My question is, once that space is, or that state of consciousness is experienced, is it just a matter of remaining there? Because it seemed like there was a complete withdrawal
No, it usually
from the
doesn't
world.
stay. It usually doesn't stay. Near-death experiences, transitory states of illumination are usually not permanent. They usually come and go. But they inspire you. It's like you get a glimpse of a glimpse ahead. You see what's possible, and they become inspirational. But I think Ramana Maharshi, Nisargadatta Maharaj, all those will agree that in the beginning they may come as a state of illumination and then leave. The Christian literature of the saints is also full of that. Oh, my beloved, how couldst thou have left me? The angels, the dove soaring, and then down near the earth, feeling crestfallen. It's like you rise above your karma and go into a beatific state, but then your negative karma catches up with you again. Therefore, one works harder, and let's go wanting to return to that state. Forget returning to that state, because it cannot be brought back. It's not volitional. It's not within the province of will. Lead the most spiritually pure life you can. And if Providence see, the grace of God so grants it, that through Providence it would return.
Thank you.
Yeah, you rise above your bad karma, that's what I